you doing? It's your girl, your lady, 1K Yellow Diamond, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining me for my lovely seafood boil mukbang. I am so excited. This is my number 2 seafood boil, and I hope it go well because the last one, you know, I lost the beginning of the footage for that video. So this time I'm keeping my eye on the camera. I'm watching, I'm getting it good. But first I will pour me some Moscato. I don't have no room. That's no room to sit my glass. But here you go. I have a new wine glass because all of my wine glasses broke, so I had to buy me some more. You guys, this is hot. You see the steam? So let me tell you what I have. I already said I had my Moscato wine, which I probably need. Set this over here. Which I probably need. What did I say? Oh, some water, because this stuff is spicy. I know my sauce is spicy because I made this. This is the last bit of the dipping sauce I made with my last seafood boil, which was last weekend. And that's that. I want to take this lipstick off because I don't want to eat it, but we're going to get into it. So what I have crab claw cluster, I have corn, I have shrimps, I have sausages, I have potatoes, I have corn, and I do have some lobster. I don't know why they all curled up. I have lobster. Lobster. And I have a lemon, and I have my lovely spicy dipping sauce. Okay, let's get into the legs. Or shall we? Let's start with the sausages. My nail's gonna be messed up. Oh, hot. It's hot. And I have it sitting on my griddle, but I don't have it on. But as you can see, I just got this out of the pot. My shrimps. I have my little extra bowl down there so I can drop the shells. Look at that. Onions, garlic, bell pepper. Ooh. Ooh. Shrimps are yummy. Look at that. That's a big one. I want to go get those big, I think they call tiger stripe shrimps. Look at all the onion. I can just eat that dipping sauce. Whew. That's yummy. That's yummy. I'm gonna get full fast with these potatoes and corn. All right. So good. You guys, that's so yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay. Shall I go with the, what you call this? The lobster tail? Or shall I go with a claw? That's why I'm full with them little ones. Good. Because them little ones.
A plate?
Mm-hmm.
What type? Plastic?
It can be a little one. Thank you. Yes, baby. Yes. Look at that. My next one, I am going to buy those big old, I guess they call snow crabs. Ooh, this don't make me happy. Those big ones. Woo. You guys, this is so delicious. I don't like this lipstick on. Look at that. That's yummy. Yum, 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 yummy. Mmm. That's good. But yeah, I'm gonna go buy those big old ones. Like this would be like, it's huge. That's gonna be my next seafood boil. Seafood boil number 3. Because this is number 2. So if you want to see me do it, this is what I do. Because that stuff is expensive. That seafood stuff, this stuff was expensive. But it's good. It's yummy, 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 yummy. So if you want to see me do a, ooh, I'm happy today. Do a seafood boil with the big, I think they call snow crabs, but the big ones. Get this video too. Get this video to, let's say, 100 likes, 200 likes in 2 days. This is yummy. So good. To say my favorite. Oh, I need to move on to my lobster. But I would say my favorite item is the shrimps. Is the shrimps. That's my favorite. All them onions and garlic. I might need some, I don't know what I'm gonna need to get to this. Let's try. Last time I didn't eat this part. This is a new day, a new time. Let's get into it. I think I might need some My mouth on fire. But it's a good fire. What today? Today is Saturday. Woo! If you haven't did your Christmas shopping, you're gonna be out there in the last minute. Everybody say this part is good. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. A big chunk of meat. And I'm going to dip it in my sauce, pick up those onions and garlic. Yummy, 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 yummy. So good. That's my Moscato, baby. Okay, you know what? Let me get to my my lobster. That's my lobster. What the hell is that? Let's get to it. Yep. You guys. Y'all gonna be caught up in that last minute shopping. There you go, piece of lobster meat. So yummy for the tummy. That's the last bit of that one. Yeah, I'm getting full. Look, I need all the different sauce. The dipping sauce be good. I think the reason why I like it so because they have all the onions and garlic and stuff in it. That's what I love. But how I make mine, I probably made like a half a gallon of this dipping sauce. Now I'm not gonna fool with the cloth. And I use that dipping sauce on a lot of stuff. What else? Yeah, I made about a half a gallon. And I use butter, but I don't use that much. I would say a half a gallon. I probably use I want to say a stick and a half of real butter. breaking my nails. And the rest is, and then I add a little water. I had to scoop that out. Most of this is not all butter. I mean, you see the little butter, but most of it's its own juice. The vegetables that I use, like the onion, the garlic, the bell pepper, you know, make its own juice. I didn't use my, ooh, wait a minute. So, I think I made one more. What you think? Ooh. So, you guys get this video, share this video, get this video to 200 likes. And I would do the king crab. I think that's what it's called. King crab. Snow crab. Ooh. And the big lobster. The big lobster. I'm talking like the $40 lobster for one. And I would do, that'll be my third seafood boil. So we going big. But I need y'all help. Leave your comments. Share. Share. Tell people to watch. Tell people to like. And I would do those big, big, big tiger shrimp, king crab, and the big lobster. I will do that next. And that's the white is gone. I know I did a lot of eating and less talking, but that's okay. I'm gonna call my seafood boil ASMR. Just make some sounds. All that cracking and smacking and licking and all that good stuff. You guys, I am done. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is seafood boil number 2, and there's no failures in it like the last video. So get this video to 200 likes in 2 days, and I will do the jumbo seafood shrimp, jumbo seafood lobster, jumbo seafood crabs. So until next time, bye. Love you guys.